Ah! Oh, wow. Oh, that's quite fast. Does it just occur to you that you're floating? And that looks like the animation looks like you're floating. This is fun. Am I supposed to do something? Because I feel like this is the same. Wait. Is it just the same looping pathways over and over again? What am I supposed to do? I'm stuck in a loop. I'm stuck in a loop. Ah. Does that stop the loop, please? Please tell me that stops. Ooh. That's cool. Welcome to a new video of Nathan Plays. Today we're playing more Sonic Origins because I really like it. And let's jump right into it. Sorry about that. Still sick. But now let's go. Here we go. We're working on Labyrinth Zone Act 2. I'm expecting this to be tough. Robot. What? That is honestly really mean. Like, I don't mean mean, I mean like really mean. So, I don't think I'm going to take my encyclopedia. I want to be surprised. This time. Okay. Honestly, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Seriously? You just keep hurting me. And you won't stop! I want you to stop hurting me. Oh, seriously. Starting to run out of time here, Bubbles. I feel like the Burrobots are the most annoying thing about this. Like, really. You know what? I think I am going to take... Oh, the spring. Oh no. I've learned how to do that now, which I think is great. I feel like Sonic's explored a lot of ruins. No, I mean like a lot. Because, what is this? I opened some kind of door. I'm not fully sure what kind of door. At least I think it's a door. Nobody's saying it is a door. Those don't even matter to me anymore. I can drown though, so I might take a bubble. I'm just wasting my time here. There we go. That's awfully rude. At least I managed to kill it, though. There we go. Are you serious? It's a floating orb now. You are now just a floating orb. What? This is a confusing level. Oh no. Ugh. These spikes. There you go. Seriously. Wait. Okay. I'm out of the water. Finally. Yeah. Now let's try Act 3. I'll be glad I'm never done with this world. Hi, Burrobots. I know you're there. I know you can poke your head through ceilings like that for some strange reason that I don't fully understand. Oh, wow. Oh, that's quite fast. Did it just occur to you that you're floating? And that looks like the animation looks like you're floating. This is fun. Am I supposed to do something? Because I feel like this is the same. Wait. Is it just the same looping pathways over and over again? What am I supposed to do? I'm stuck in a loop. I'm stuck in a loop. Does that stop the loop, please? Please tell me that stops. Ooh. That's cool. If I hadn't realized that I was in a loop, I would have probably stayed in that loop forever. But that was a fun loop, but it was not the best loop for your mind. Like, I was not going to get stuck in a loop. In like a time loop in this. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Game. Where are the vents? There's a land. Oh, I'm gonna stand here, huh? Ah! Ow! 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 Will you please stop that? Let's walk on spikes. This is not the right way. No. I have limited time here. Oh, seriously. I actually did that, huh? Very interesting. I don't trust that there's ground down there, so. You don't either? That's good. Because I don't either. I feel like there's a boss coming. Oh, okay. Come on. Extras around here. Got my shield. Not a lot of bubbles. Am I finally gonna die from drowning? Apparently not. Hey, hey, hey. What? Oh. I see. Oh wait, what? That was a save. Oh no. What was that? Oh no. Oh, better. Good. Thank you. Wait, it's still flooding. Is something supposed to be happening here? This feels more intense. And then I don't want it to be flooding. It's catching up. It's catching up. It's catching up. I want to take this. Oh no. Oh no! I don't have any rings. I haven't been able to take a single hit on him. Wow. This is actually tough. Rings? Please? 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 This is getting annoying. Oh no. Yay. See, it seems to somehow be catching up to me. And I'm not sure how. Okay, those are 2 good hits. Oh no. I might not be able to get him again. Because of this. Oh no. That was honestly kind of easy. Well, we did it.